Tirekanka Kanta Itagai Godamo Daram Bhakti Vadam Namami Saram Sachidananda Rupam Lasad Kundalam Gokule Rajamanam Satabhutamani. He recited this verse. Padma Purana. Damman Lila. Also, Sukdev Goswami Pad very nicely told Parikshit Maharaj how Mother Yashoda she bind to Bal Gopal Krishna with a small rope. Namami Saran Sachidananda Rupam Lasad Kundalam Gokuli Rajamanam. Krishna's form is Sachidananda form. Sachidananda, impartialist. They are saying Krishna has no form. Nirakar, Nirvises, Niranjan, they are saying. But he is saying this very clearly. Namami Saran Sachidananda Rupam. Sachidananda, Sachidananda. Namami Sachidananda Rupam. Lasad Kundalam Gokule Vrajamanam. Very nice, beautiful. What is called? Earrings. Setting. And Krishna is walking in the path of Vrindavan. Namami Saram Sachidananda Rupam Lasad Kundalam Gokule Rajamanam Yasoda Violu Khalabdhapamanam Paramrishtamotam Tata Vrittagopa. Krishna committed 2 offenses. How many? What is that? He broke the butter pot, sugar pot. Or second, he threw all the butter and feed the crows and these are 2 offenses. But this Mother Yashoda chastised children. You know this Leela. And Krishna jumped and also coming outside of the house and running on the path of Vrindavan. And Mother Yashoda, she is also chasing behind him. And Krishna is running or behind Mother Yashoda. Yashoda Vyolu Khalabdhavamanam. Krishna jumped from the granted mountain. And running on the path of Vrindavan. And afraid. Yashoda Vyolu. Vyolu means afraid. Fear. Why Krishna is fear? Oh, my mother will beat me. That means Krishna, he knows this is my fault. I am offender, aparadi. So this Yashoda Vyolu Khalabdhavamanam Paramrishtamattam Tatadrutta Goppa. Then Mother Yashoda, she runs faster than Krishna. Then Mother Yashoda, she caught Krishna's back. And Paramrishtamattam. Then one hand, she caught Krishna's back. And another hand, she took the stick and chastisement to Krishna. Hey! Stupid nonsense. I will beat you. But Krishna told Mother, why? Why did you break the butter pot? Krishna told, I did not. Who broke the butter pot? Well, you. How Krishna is very clever. How possible? Your mother, when you went to save the milk in the oven, and that time in your feet ankle belt. That ankle belt is also stuck in the pot, then pot broken. This is not, this I did not. Actually, Krishna, he broke the butter pot, Jugat pot. But Krishna is saying, no, you. But here the mother said that, okay. So why you were afraid? Why you were running? Who were afraid from the police? Gentleman? No. Thief. Thief, he afraid from the police. Thief will realize, I am offender. I committed offense. Maybe police, he will catch me. But for this regard, thief will not come in front of police. And if thief looks at the police, then he will, what is called, scared and go away. You understand? And gentlemen, sober person, they have no fear. And if you not committed offense, so why fear from the police? So Mother Yashoda, she asked to Krishna, why did you fear from me? And jumped from the motor, Grandi motor, and coming outside and running on the rural path of bridge. Why? Then Mother Yashoda asked, why did you waste all the butter and feed the crows and monkeys? Krishna told, oh, that butter is not fresh butter. So what this guy will not eat? I have to feed the crows and monkeys. Because Krishna is thinking, in my Ram Lila, the crows, that Kakabhusandi, Kakabhusandi the crow. I did not properly serve today. Even the monkeys, they completely surrendered to me. They sacrificed their life for me. But I did not give anything to them. But now I can feed to them butter. For this regard, Krishna, he threw the butter and feeding the monkeys. So saying, Yashoda, you look collapsed. Then Mother just said, I have to beat you. Then Krishna said, don't beat. And Krishna started to cry. Krishna is Bhagavan. Who is the supreme personality of Godhead and Bhagavan. Even the presenting deities of death. Who is the presenting deities of death? Jamraj. Jamraj also afraid from Krishna. What to say to Krishna? Even Krishna incarnation, Lord Narayan. In Lord Narayan, Lord Nrsimhadev. When Lord Nrsimhadev killed Hiranyakashipu, that time Nrsimhadev found very aggressive. Then Brahma, Shiva, all the demigods are afraid from Nrsimhadev. Nobody coming from. Then Lord Nrsimhadev just was looking. Then suddenly Lord Nrsimhadev threw, hey! Brahma, why did you give this benediction? Hiranyakashipu. Afraid? Brahmaji will pop. Oh my Lord. Hey! You gave benediction to Hiranyakashipu. For this regard, he meant disturbance of my devotee. Then Brahmaji will again end it. Shivji, he ran away. So you think maybe Lord Nrsimhadev will chastise me. And Jam Maharaj, everybody also. Even Lakshmi Devi, she did not come in front of Lord Nrsimhadev. Everybody told, hey, Lakshmi Devi, you are the consort of Lord Nrsimhadev. Maybe you can go and pacify to him. Lakshmi Devi, she told, this time I cannot go. Lakshmi Devi, she did not come. Are you are the wife. Wife can't pacify her husband. But Lakshmi Devi said, oh, this time not possible for me. Then everybody pushed Prahlad Maharaj. Then, when Prahlad Maharaj came very close to Nrsimhadev, then Nrsimhadev cut him and seated on his thigh and back. And Nrsimhadev's heart melted and tears flowing down. Before Nrsimhadev was very aggressive, very angry. And now when Prahlad Maharaj came, then Nrsimhadev completely changed, soft heart. This is called Bhakta Vatsal, so much parental mood in the heart of Nrsimhadev with his devotee. Bolo Bhakta Vatsal Nrsimhadev Bhagavan ki jai. Nrsimhadev. So I am saying because Jad Vibheti Bhayam, even the presiding deities of death, Jam Maharaj, Jamraj, also afraid from Krishna. And now same Bhagavan Krishna, Supreme Personality of God is saying Bhagavan, he afraid from Mother Jasoda. So see, Jasoda Vyolu. Why? Well, this is called his Leela. So I am saying Krishna's all Leela is very sweet. Madhurja. Sweet Leela Madhurja. Sakka Bhav, how Krishna make friendship with his friend Subal Siddham. Sakka Bhav. Vatsala Bhav, Nanda Jasoda gave nourishment to Krishna as like they are innocent baby also. Our Madhurja Bhav, sweetness mood of the gopis, conjugal mood, higher than others. Sometimes gopis, they also use harsh words to Krishna. Priya jadi man kari kare bhassan, vedastuti hoite mor, hare mor mon. Krishna himself told all the demigods, they are reciting Vedas mantra. Om Bhur Bhuva, Om Tad Vishnu Paraman Padam, Sada Pasante Suraya, Dhiviva Chaksuratatam. Vedas mantra. But Krishna says, I am not happy with their Vedas mantra of demigod. But when gopis, they used harsh words to me. What the harsh word? You are stupid, nonsense, rascal. Hey Krishna, you are stupid, nonsense, rascal. You are thief. Dabuchi. These types of words gopis they used to Krishna. Then Krishna said, I am very happy. So saying this, Priya jadi man kari kare bhatsan, vedastuti hoite mor, hari mor mon. Why? Because they say not love and affection. But all this compared with love, but love is what? Different categories of mamata. Try to understand. Mamata, possessiveness in the heart of the devotee, not same. This is different. According to their samandha, their mamata also different types. Mother Jasoda's mamata towards Krishna, Subal Siddham, their mamata towards Krishna, and gopis, they are also mamata towards Krishna. Not same, different categories. Understand? This is the main thing. Prem also depends on the Ananya Mamata Vishnu Mamata Prema Sangata. The definition of Prema, Ananya Mamata Vishnu, Mamata Prema Sangata. Ananya is one pointed, not Ananya is the Ananya. There are no any other things, only one pointed with Krishna. Ananya Mamata Vishnu. Ananya Mamata Vishnu, Mamata Prema Sangha. But this mamata, different kinds. Subconscious mamata, friendship mood, possessiveness, difference. Or gopis, mamata towards Krishna, also different. Not same categories. This. I belongs to Krishna. Or Krishna belongs to me. What do you prefer? Understand or not? I belongs to Krishna. Or Krishna belongs to me. Which one? Which?
Krishna belongs to me.
Huh?
Krishna belongs to me.
Krishna belongs to me. I belongs to Krishna. This mamata is inferior. Krishna belongs to me. Krishna belongs to me. This is called mine. Minus come. Yeah? Krishna is mine. And so much also. That is called this mamata. Yeah? Very powerful. Ananya. So Ananya mamata Vishnu mamata prema samvata. This is the prema. This is the definition of love. Yeah? As the mother says, my son, I belongs to son, then that is not proper way. My son, and this mamata. So these mamata depend on their samandha. Then, which mamata is thickest? Thicker, thickest. Gada mamata. Gada means very thick. Understand or not? Which mamata is very thickest? Gopis mamata. Or among the gopis? Srimati Radhika. Radharani's mamata is yes. So, just I also explained in this way. The Krishna's four qualifications. Rupamadhurya, Venumadhurya, Lilamadhurya, Premamadhurya. Yeah? Premamadhurya, the sweetness of the fruit, the sweetness of his divine love. Yeah? Gopis, they control to Krishna, and especially Srimati Radhika is absolutely control to Krishna. Yeah? Because Prema's love also different stages. Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, then Ruda, Udruda, Mohan, Madana, Kumar. Yeah? Loves. Prema's topmost, that is called Madanakka Mahabhav. This Madanakka Mahabhav only in the heart of Srimati Radhika. For this regard, Srimati Radhika controls to Krishna with her Madanakka Mahabhav. Yeah? This Madanakka Mahabhav not in the heart of also Lalita Visakha. What will say to others? Yeah? Because everything you can serve your Istadeva depend on your mamata, prema. And this prema also different categories. Yeah? For this regard, Krishna says, न परायण निरुद्धं समझो साधु कृत विबुध सर्वो जामा दुर्जन प्रिय श्रृंखला संविश्च प्रतिजातु साधना. Krishna told to Srimati Radhika, a complete work, absolutely indebted of your divine love. No parayan niruddham samyo sadhu vibhuda sarva. Even I serve your lotus feet, the age of Brahma, I cannot free from of your days. That means Krishna said, a completely indebted. No parayan niruddham sadhu vibhuda sarva. Jama, Durja, Briha, Singha, Sangvishta, Pratijatu, Sadhuna. And Gopis, they gave up everything for Krishna. They gave up their rules and regulations of the society. They gave up everything for Krishna. Gaya tejo, Maya tejo, Bhaiya tejo, Kanaiya, Kohu nahi tejo. Brajavasis, they can give up everything for Krishna. But they will never give up Krishna. Bhakti is Krishnarthe Akhil Chesta Parayan. Or Krishnarthe Akhil Bhagatta. Write down this word. What did he say? Krishnarthe Akhil Chesta Parayan. All their endeavors exclusively pleasure for Krishna. This is called Krishnarthe Akhil Chesta Parayan. Or Krishnarthe Akhil Bhagatta. They can give up everything for the exclusive pleasure for Krishna. That means all their aim and object, how Krishna will be pleased. That is not other than this. Anna vilasita sunnam jnana karmadi anavritam anukulena krishnanu silanam bhakti uttam. Actually this bhakti, prema bhakti, topmost bhakti with the gopis, and among the gopis is Mati Radhika. Rupa Goswami Pad composed this definition of Uttama Bhakti. Anna vilasita sunnam jnana karmadana vritam anukulena krishnanu silanam bhakti uttam. The cultivation of activities is will pleasure for Krishna. How Krishna will be happy? All their endeavors only for Krishna pleasure. That is Krishna Sukha Tatparjamaya, not other thing. So I also explain this way. Krishnarthe Akhil Chesta Parayan or Krishnarthe Akhil Bhagatta. Understand? Because all their endeavors is to pleasure for Krishna. And they can give up everything for the exclusive pleasure for Krishna. They can give up their house. They can give up their husband. They give up their everything. Why? Only for Krishna Sukha. The pleasure for Krishna. One day when Krishna played the flute, then all the gopis, they gave up their household duties. They running towards Krishna. This is the example. What is that Krishna says this verse? No parayam nirabaddham sanjam sasadu kripta vibodha sadhura jama dulja bhyasankala samvishya pratijatu sadhuna. Krishna says this verse to Srimati Radhika. Lakshmi Devi, she can't to give up everything for her husband Narayana. Krishna told, you give up your Brahmani Abhiman. If you want to enter in Rasa Lila, first you give up your Brahmani Abhiman, egos of Brahman. Because Krishna, one qualification, Krishna is saying, Krishna Gop Jati Gop Vina Anne Kare Na Kare Angikar. Krishna, he takes birth in Gopa dynasty. So Krishna says this verse. Krishna will not accept, as is considered, those who are the Brahmana or Brahmani. No. So Krishna Gop Jati, Gopi Vina Anne Kare Na Kare Angikar. Krishna will not accept without Gopi. You have to come in Gopa dynasty. For this regard, Krishna told to the wives of what is called Mathur Brahmana. The wives of Mathur Brahmana. You know this Leela or not? These Mathuraj Brahmanas, they perform fire sacrifice. Then Krishna's friends came and asked, give some food. Brahmanas, they did not give. But the wives of Brahmanas, they brought everything. And they came to Krishna. And they everything offered to Krishna. Then Krishna told, okay, you return back to your home. That time they told, or maybe our husband will not accept us. Then Krishna told, don't worry, they will. My Yogamaya, they will accept to you. They return back. That is called the Jagit Patni, the wife of Brahmanas. Jagipatni Katha in Srimad Bhagavatam. Eh? So why Krishna? He did not accept the wife of the Brahmana Jagnipatni. Because Krishna says in this verse, the Krishna Gopa Jati, Gopa Vinna, Krishna Gopa Jati, Gopi Vinna, Anne Kare Na Kare Angikar. This is Krishna's also one speciality. That means you have to take birth in Braj or in the dynasty of Gopa dynasty. Have to take birth in the womb of the Gopis. Gopi Grihajana. This is important. And understand? May not understand, no problem, but try to understand. So saying this, Krishna, Gopajati, Gopi Vina, Annekare, Nakare, Ambika. So Krishna told, hey Brahmani, the wife of Brahmana, Jagipatni, you return back to home. And they also, finally they return back. But Krishna, same word Krishna told to the gopis. And when Krishna played the flute and gopis they came. And Krishna also told, hey gopis, you should return back to your home. You have to return back to your home, worship your feet of your husband. And Krishna gave so many instructions to the gopis. But gopis, they did not return back. And gopis also are defeat to Krishna also. Krishna told, if you not to serve your husband, then you will go hell. Pati sevai parama dharma. And just lady have to worship her husband. The Vedas explain this. Pati parama devata. Husband is the God. Pati param devata. But Gopi, what did he say? Here Krishna, this is true. But what is the relationship with our husband? Body relationship. Are your relationship eternal? In this matter, that is called Pati, or Krishna is called Parampati. So for this regard, Jagannath, he is called Jagatnath. He is the husband of all the living entity, universe. For this regard, he is called Jagannath, Jagatpati. In this way, many conversations between Krishna and gopis. Then Krishna completely defeat. Then Krishna accept the gopis and perform Ras dance. But Krishna did not perform Ras dance with the wife of the Brahmana, Jagipatni. This is also very original. Krishna Gop Jati Gopi Vina Anne Kare Na Kare Angikar. This is Krishna's one special confidence. So for this regard, Vaishnava Siddhanta conclusion, you have to take birth in Vrindavan, in the womb of gopis, and associate with the gopis. Lakshmi Devi, in her Lakshmi form, she wants to enter Ras dance. Krishna told, no. First you give up your Brahmani Abhiman, egos of Brahmani. You have to take birth in Vrindavan. She told, no, I don't want to take birth in Vrindavan. Krishna told, you have to take birth in the womb of the gopis. Oh, I am Brahmani, how possible come the low caste? Not this, the Krishna told, you have to associate my gopis also. Radha, Lalita, Visakha. And also fatting the cow dungs. Then Lakshmi said, oh my God, how possible? That smell will come. I am Maharani, I am the queen of Vaikuntha, Vaikunteswari. So how possible I am fatting the cow dung? Krishna told, not this, you have to marry with one gop also. Oh my God, my husband is Narayan. How possible? I cannot lose my chastity. He told not these things also, listen. With paramour mood, then you can meet with me. Then you are qualified to enter in Raj dance. Lakshmi she told, no, I cannot. And Krishna told, okay, you cannot to enter in the Raj dance. But still Lakshmi Devi, she is performing her austerities in Vrindavan. That is called Belvan. You are going Belvan? Yes. Lakshmi cannot enter Raj. And Krishna did not also accept in the Lakshmi body. Krishna did not accept to her. And but finally Krishna also accepted Lakshmi Devi, not Gopi's what is called Lakshmi body. And Krishna accepted her in his chest in the what is called golden line, that is Sarnarekha. Yeah. But Lakshmi body not possible to enter Raj dance. This is the process. So Vrindavan, all their hankaring have to take birth in Vrindavan. So Brija saying, Vrindavan ko vriksha ko maram na jane koi, dal dalar pat pat mein radhe radhe hoi. All the trees of Vrindavan only chanting radhe radhe radhe. They are not chanting Krishna Krishna. What they are chanting? Radhe radhe. Radha meri samini, मैं राधिन को दास, जन्म जन्म मोहि दियो वृंदावन को वास. And Hindi song also. Srimati Radhika, she is my mistress. I am the maidservant Srimati Radhika. Here Srimati Radhika, life after life, birth after birth, you give me take birth in Vrindavan. So that means you have to take birth in where? Vrindavan. Pray to Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. What is the time now? Too late, eh? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, tomorrow, what time will you go?
Murari.
Or the Murari go?
Sumara maaga. Kaya ba?
After Murari go.
After Murari. Kasi gusto niya doon maglang sa Baguio. Ang gawin niya ng kayo.
Otherwise too late, then whole day, we are going whole day. Huh?
So after Mangala, around 6 o'clock. Tayo? 6. Okay, around 6 o'clock. 6 a.m. After Mangala.
No, Mangalarti, what time?
Mangalarti is
5:30. No, what time will you? 5 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock leave.
Yeah, 6 o'clock.
Go tomorrow. But don't delay.
Huh?
Huh?
6 o'clock, okay.
Go tomorrow.
Jai Gurudev. Jai.
Hare Krishna. Hello.